Hey guys, welcome to the Gun Show.
She's so cute. All right, guys, here we are at the gun show, and I'm a little concerned because I think this is the same promoter that banned me from the other gun show. This one happens to be at the Hilton Hotel, which is kind of different. Never been to a Hilton gun show, but hey, gun show's a gun show. So come on, Preston. Yeah, P-Bear, let's go. All right, guys, if you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button right down here below. It'll help get this video out to more people. And let's head inside and see what they got. We're going to do the usual, check the ammo prices, check the prices on rifles, pistols, accessories, all that good stuff. So let's head inside and see what they got to offer.
And goodbye.
P-Bear.
And goodbye.
Guys, there you go. There's the gun show. I apologize. It was a very small gun show. I was very disappointed. Most of the ammo did not have prices on it, which makes me skeptical of the price they really want to charge. Because what's to stop them from starting with a price for me versus a price for the next guy? There is no price.
It would subscribe button.
Boy. And there is no real starting price. You know, it's just negotiation. And to me, that's just nothing but a scam. So if you're not good at negotiating, then you're going to get ripped off. So guys, I appreciate what you've done for me so far. Hopefully we get back to making some good content, some better content, because this gun show was crap. But guys, until next time, I'll see you at the next gun show.
Bye.